Hi, it's Kim. Hope you've already learned how to arm wave before watching this tutorial. Today, let me teach you how to do side and vertical arm wave. First, let's try to learn how to side arm wave. By the way, this tutorial would not focus on the steps specifically, so make sure you've watched my arm wave tutorial in advance. First, we begin with our hand, and then the wrist, just like that. And then now the elbows, the hard part. Try to think of straightening your arm. Lastly, try to pull your shoulder towards your chest, like that. Now we combine these steps. For the other arm, do all the steps equivalently, just in reversed order. Now let's try to learn how the vertical arm wave. This time we begin with the shoulder, elbow, wrist, and then the hand. Again, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and the hand. We're doing so that the arm looks like it's being pulled up. The same goes for the other hand. Do the steps in reversed order for the descending motion. And there goes the hand, wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder. The other arm starts with the hand as well. That's it for today. Don't stop, keep practicing. Thanks for watching. And subscribe!